Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we have got some exciting news to talk about. Apple's foldable iPhone. Is it back in the spotlight or what? Let's dive in. Rumors and speculations about a foldable iPhone have been circulating for years, but is it actually becoming a reality? Let's search in. Apple says it has no plan to launch a foldable iPhone until at least 2026. But what can we expect from Apple's foldable iPhone? From what we have gathered, it's going to be a game changer. Imagine having all the functionality of your iPhone in a device that can fold and unfold seamlessly. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. One of the most exciting aspects of this new device is its potential for enhanced multitasking. With a larger foldable display, users could easily run multiple apps side by side, boosting productivity like never before. But it's not just about functionality. Apple is known for its sleek and stylish designs, and the foldable iPhone is no exception. From what we have seen so far, it's said to be a beautiful piece of technology that seamlessly combines form and function. Of course, with any new technology, there are bound to be questions and concerns. Will the foldable display be durable enough to withstand daily use? These are all valid questions and ones that we'll be keeping a close eye on as more information becomes available. But for now, one thing's for sure, the foldable iPhone is generating a lot of buzz and we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. So be sure to stay tuned to our channel for all the latest updates and insight on this exciting new development. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.